In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a project's icon in Asana. Updating your project icon is a small touch, but it can make your workspace feel much more organized and easier to scan at a glance. This is especially helpful if you're managing multiple projects at once and want to quickly distinguish them by color or symbol. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you've opened the specific project whose icon you want to change. You should be in the main project view, such as the list, board, or any standard project layout. At the top of this page, you'll see the project's name. Just to the left of that name, there's a small colored circle or icon. This is the current project icon. Move your cursor over that icon. When you hover over it, you should notice that it's interactive. Go ahead and click directly on the project icon or the color circle next to the project name. This click is what opens up the customization options for your project icon. After you click, a small menu or pop-up will appear. In this menu, Asana will show you different icon and color options you can choose from. You might see a range of colors, and depending on your version of Asana, potentially some icon variations as well. This is where you actually select how you want your project to appear in your sidebar and project list. Take a moment to look through the choices and think about what will make the most sense for you and your team. For example, you might want to use one color for marketing projects, another for development, and a different one for personal tasks, so everything is visually grouped. Once you've decided, simply click on the color or icon you want to use. As soon as you click your selection, Asana will automatically apply it to the project. You'll see the new icon or color appear immediately to the left of the project name at the top of the page, and you should also see it update in your sidebar where all your projects are listed. There's no separate save button needed, the change is applied right away. If you change your mind, you can repeat this process at any time. Just click the project icon again, select a different option, and it will update instantly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your project's icon in Asana.